What's up, guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are doing a dematting. So this guest drove 3 hours away, and unfortunately, she was in a really bad car accident with a drunk driver, and she wrecked her neck. She was in a neck brace for a while. She was bedridden, and unfortunately, her hair got matted up. She has super long hair, and today we're gonna get it out. If you guys are not following me, make sure you follow me right here. Subscribe and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, Leda Fazal.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like...
All right, guys, she is done. We spent the whole day, but her hair is beautiful, long, and silky smooth. You guys, this is why we do it. We didn't want her to have to cut her hair. We didn't want her to have to shave her hair. We didn't want her to have to spend money on wigs, etc. So today we took 4 stylists, spent the day dematting her, and now she has her beautiful long hair again. If you guys are not following me, make sure you subscribe right here and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, Leda Fazal.